Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Corvette. This icon has been designed to defy convention and to provide a thrilling driving experience like no other. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, smartphone wireless charging, leather bucket seats, V8 engine, Targa sunroof, shocks, and power heated mirrors. AutoWeek writes, the Corvette accelerates like a rocket, has razor-sharp steering, zero body roll, and looks darn fine. That's not the best part about it, though. We'd argue the best part is how easy it is to milk all the performance. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads